Hello everyone. Welcome to our show of Sari Ki Sari Baatein, and I hope you had a great weekend. Today it is Sunday and I hope you had enjoyed your day. And almost I guess we are almost done with January, and I'm all keeping my fingers crossed that the coming year is going to be lucky for us. And with all the vaccination news that has come up, I'm quite hopeful. So I'm super excited about this upcoming year. And with that also I have lot of surprises which are lined up for you, which I'm super excited about. So I'd like to reveal one by one, but not now. Just hold on, because we're planning them. And but I'm super excited about that. So with all that, this year I'm very hopeful of this year, that it will, 2021 will not be like 2020 how it was. And also for Apapi, because we are coming up with a lot of exciting news for you, and most importantly is our next collection. I'm super excited about the next collection which we are coming up with. So you can keep guessing because we are revealing it soon. It's coming up soon. And okay, I can just talk on and on about it, but let me take a pause. And I would just like to tell about today's episode. Yes, just a second. Yeah. So yes, you can have the clue definitely for our upcoming collection, but not now because just hold on. Otherwise, if you keep on asking me, I'll soon reveal it. But I don't want to, because we have planned a huge launch party, as well as we have a lot of things planned up for that collection. So until then, I'll just keep my mouth sealed, so that I don't speak much. But yes, I can say that, with all our lives coming back to track, with all the vaccination happening, I guess we are quite bored of our night pants and, night lounges. We just have to now go out and just chill and and hang around with our friends, go to our office. We have so much to do, right? We have so much to do, and keeping all that in mind, Apapi is soon coming up with its upcoming collection, which I guess you are going to love it. I am hopeful that you're going to love it, because I'm already in love with that. and uh, Based on that is also our today's episode. Today's episode is going to be about how sari is a way of life. So I'm just waiting for our special person to join. Just a second, guys. Just a second. We are just waiting for our guest to be here. Let's see. Let me give her a call. Yeah. So, Rika, yes, someone is asking about the upcoming surprises. So, our upcoming surprises would be, would be a lot of offers, I guess, which we are coming up with. Offers as in product offer. Because till now we were dealing with all together, we're dealing with a different kind of ranges, but we have heard a lot about it, a lot from our audiences that we should come up with that particular collection which we are coming up with, and it's going to be special. No, 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 no. Please don't ask me now because I cannot say more about it. But yes, definitely, we have something very special lined up, and yes. Yes, yes, yes. You will have something very special for your wife to gift this Valentine. Already our Valentine collection is out. You can check Flames collection. But yes, definitely you are going to and the collection that we are coming up with is also perfect for your for your Valentines. Definitely. Yes, I guess our guest is here.
Hello.
Hi, Priti.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Sure, I'm little late. I'm sorry for that.
Oh, no, that's fine. That's completely fine. So we were just waiting for you to start the episode with.
Yeah.
And so, guys, welcome to Sari Ki Sari Baatein. And as I have already given the whole background of what are we up to, and based on that is our today's show. It's about how sari is a way of life. So, and to discuss that, we have a very special guest in front of us, and she has been influencing the young generation to take conscious decision. And we are so happy to have her here today. So, Smriti, welcome to the episode.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope
Yeah.
I can make it good. I hope I'm looking good in the sari that you gave me. It's really very comfortable. It's nice. I can wear it in one go, just like this, because I was little late for the show. And I know because it's the handloom one and it's very comfortable. I know I won't be needing much time to wear it, and I can just wrap it and it's like very nice.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much that you like the sari.
I did. I also made like 2 to 3 reels yesterday because yesterday I was trying it and I felt good. It was so comfortable. So I thought like why not, like, now that you have dressed up, why not do something with it?
Yeah. Sure, sure, definitely. And so yes, you can go and look up to her reels for the upcoming, and you
Yeah.
will get a hint of her upcoming collection definitely.
Collection. Yes.
And we also have something special with Smriti coming up as well. So
Very
that is
soon.
lined up.
It's like a styling video, how you can style yourself with sari and all of that. Soon, very soon, within a week, it's gonna be there, and I hope
Yeah.
everybody loves it because these days people are actually looking forward to see themselves in sari and with the same comfort zone, the comfort zone that we feel when we wear a pair of jeans, like when we are going to work and everything, we always like, ha, jeans kahan pe hai? We also only search for the jeans because that's the easiest and the most comforting one. So I want the mindset of people to change, like, even if I'm in a hurry and even I need to be in comfort, I can still grab that sari. So that you guys are trying to bring out, and I'm really hoping for the best for you guys.
Thank you so much, Smriti. Thank you so much for this encouragement as well. So, Smriti, as you know, you belong from Assam, and you belong from Assam, and Apapi actually resonates more towards, towards promoting Assamese handloom. So, I would just like to ask, like, sari has been an integral part. Not sari, I would say, Mekla Chadar has been an off-late sari as well, has been an integral part of our lives in Assam. So, but how do you think has, how do you think things have changed with time? Like obviously, as the time has passed, things have evolved. We have seen a lot of changes. So, what are
Yeah,
your
yeah.
perceptions on that?
Like even at our home, we have seen how that changes. When we used to be kids, what my mama or the people, the women in the house used to wear versus what they are preferring these days. So it's basically, I think, the change. Like earlier when we were young, or you say when we were not even young, but the generation wise, I'm saying earlier what people used to do, they used to get this cotton. How do you say, they prefer to wear cotton most of the time, like mekla chadar. The thing is set in the mind that we have to wear a mekla chadar, number one, because it's comfortable, cotton and all
Correct.
that. So it's like earlier people used to get the things, get all the stuff and wave it in the home only, like the wavers and all that. And even nowadays, if we are looking for the fresh handloom one, we will still prefer not to go to a shop, but we will most prefer कि कोई अगर ऐसा वेव करने वाला जो करके देता है वो मिलेगा तो अच्छा है. Like that thing has happened at my home. So I would say, but now the mindset of people has changed, and like they don't feel कि only in chadar mekla they can be comfortable. Now the mindset has grown, like कि हाँ, earlier it used to be little bit sort of कि we'll wear sari only on fancy occasions because sari is not comfortable enough, or it's heavy to carry, or it's more time consuming to wear it and all of that. But I think it has changed gradually, because earlier I feel there were not much handloom products in sari. So earlier
Correct.
it used to be just the cotton sari that we used to get in the market.
Correct.
So I feel that I am not sure. I just feel that earlier people used to wear the cotton sari only at home, or it was not like कि हाँ साड़ी पहन के तुम बाहर भी जा सकते, मतलब कॉटन साड़ीज या हैंडलूम पहन के तुम बाहर भी जा सकते. इट वाज जस्ट लाइक हाँ घर में है तो पहन लिया. बट नाउ दैट थिंग हैज चेंज. And I am also loving the fact that these influencers these days, like the big shot ones, Sejal Kumar, Komal Pandey, and all that, they have always been making videos with sari and trying to tell people how you can still be comfortable in your sari. It's just not that
Correct.
just to look modern, or just to dress up good. It doesn't mean that you have to only wear shorts. Sometimes you can slay in the sari as well, like totally.
Correct. Absolutely. Like you are doing today.
Yeah. I don't know, but I hope. But I got
Yeah.
ready like this, like in one go. So otherwise, I would have presented myself more nicely. But I hope, you wear the earrings, then you wear the bindi and the Indian touch. It makes you look good.
Yeah.
feel.
Perfect. 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 So, Smriti, but like as in, as you can say, sometimes like we have heard this people saying that saris are more like our mothers are wearing that. Or if you think about sari, oh, acha, ye to हमारे मम्मियाँ पहनती है. We have always have heard that. But do you think it's the responsibility of the new generation like us who changed this perception, because this 6 yards is so gorgeous, and it's so unique, and it makes India unique, right?
It
So,
does.
so what is your perception about that?
I think people of this generation doesn't prefer much to wear sarees. Like they will wear it on occasion. But I think if they like set their mindset that it's not that you have to wear a gorgeous saree only on Saraswati Puja. I think it's in their mind कि साड़ी थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, साड़ी कैरी करना इजी नहीं होता है. बट आई थिंक दैट शुड चेंज, एंड दैट विल ओनली चेंज when they don't try only the fancy sarees, the heavy one from the market. But if they are gonna try the handloom, like this one you gave me yesterday, I wore it. I did not even feel like I'm wearing a saree. It's so light and so nice. So even my perception has changed a bit. after wearing the sari. Earlier it was also little bit like, you know, sari thoda hai aisa. But abhi kal maine pehna to it was like comfortable. I'm like, oh my god, I can do anything in a sari. I felt that. So I think if the people will come out and, you know, try to wear sari more often, like we work pay, they whenever they are going for work, like job may, and all the days they will wear like kurta, or they mostly people prefer to wear, the woman, they prefer to wear kurta and all that. ठीक है, kurta pehna, jeans pehna. But if they think कि हाँ एक दिन हफ्ते में we will also wear the sari, I think that way the mindset will change. And I think the people of this generation should do it. Otherwise, by the end of 2 or 3 generations, sari will only be the thing that you wear in fancy parties or places or family occasion. It will no more be like a comfortable thing like it used to be. Because for our mother, for our grandparents, you know, sari is like they are comfortable. Mekla chadar, you say, sari, you say the same thing. For like their comfort zone in sari is totally different. They can like just the way we feel comfortable in a jean or something, they feel comfortable in the sari. So I think
Correct.
the young generation needs to feel it, and you know, they should try wearing sari more often than how much they wear and all that.
Yeah. That's true. That's true. So as you say, so how's your life in sari? So if I have to tell you, if you have to give us an example of your life in sari, can you give us some?
To be very honest, it's good, because earlier whenever I used to be in school, I used to be always that, you know, how do you say that kid who is like excited about all the activities happening in the school. So if there's any inspection, there's any dance show, this that, I'll be there first. So I have this experience of growing up wearing this festive wears, you say sari or mekla chadar all the time. So I don't find it uncomfortable. Like, I know how to wear a sari, but my friends are there, and so many people are there who don't know how to wear a sari, and I don't think it's tough. Actually, it's good. And if you see my Instagram, I have done a lot of shoots and in sari. I would prefer to, like, even my personal WhatsApp DP, I will like to put the DP where I'm wearing chadar mekla or sari. So I feel very Indian and I feel very native to my land, like when I wear a sari. So my life in sari has been comfortable. Like, you know, I was like 10 minutes, I guess 7 minutes late for the talk show, but it only took me sari. So it's that comforting. So मेरे लिए
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Uh, that's so good to hear. You know, when youngsters starts wearing this drape again, I'm sure it will be the new, style statement for us.
I
And
hope so.
people are now are trying to emulate our style as well. It's I mean, in some or the other by styling in some or the other way. But yes, I am very hopeful that sari will again come back in the fashion like it was before.
Like
So
in Assam these days, a lot of designers are coming up, which I feel good. Just the way the new music are coming up, new good music, new movies are coming up in Assamese industry. In the same way, like there are so many designers who are trying to promote the handloom or say the silk, and it's really nice. Even we feel good to see, you know, that it's not just that you guys are just promoting the sari stuff. You are at the same time also promoting our culture, you say, our handloom and everything.
yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect.
So
Yeah.
it's like, you know,
So,
contributing to the state as well, or contributing to the culture as well.
yeah, that's true. So Smriti, if I have to tell you, like, since you're wearing a puppy's, okay, it's a hint as well for our next collection what Smriti is wearing. So if you have to tell how comfortable is our sari, and how will you like to carry this Apapi's new sari,
You know,
where all you like to drape it and all that.
I feel like if you have already noticed, this is the pallu, but I have styled it like in a different way. If you have noticed, otherwise the sari will be like this, more comfortable. But you know, it's just one different style. आप ऐसे छोड़ मत दो, you pull it up from here and then you style it like this, so it gives you an extra feel. And I also feel, saris are not just meant to be worn in summer with a cool blouse and half sleeve one. You can also style it up with the turtlenecks. Like, if I would have enough time, I would have shown you. But I'm definitely gonna
But
make
yes.
a video, where you have different styles of wearing a sari, and it's not like, you can wear one particular sari in only one style. It's not just changing the blouse or the turtleneck. It's about, you can even change the sari to a dress sometime whenever necessary. You can, uh, how do I say it? But you can style it in various ways. Like, I feel everybody needs to know, and I'm making one for you guys. And I have also seen the earlier talk shows and all the collection of your guys, and it's really nice and it's comforting. It's very comforting, to be very, very
Thank
comforting.
you so much. Thank you so much. So, so yeah, this collection is something which you can take up to all corporates as well as corporate parties as well as it's your Valentine's party and as well as like for your casual travel trips and everything everywhere, right?
Exactly.
So
It's like you have to change some particular ornaments, or what you are styling with. If like you can wear a gorgeous piece of earring or say neck piece or anything, the same sari you can make it casual, like the work, like to wear in a job place, in your workplace. And the same sari you can also go to a 5-star and still slay it. It's just have to, you
yeah.
need to know the style, how to do it.
Yes, yes, correct. I'm sure, yeah. So you recommend that to our audience, right? And
I, I,
we
I
are
really do. I really do. Like, so I'm just saying, I'm wearing it like this. If I put the pallu down supposedly, and I remove this flower thing, I'll be looking like I'm going to work, and it will be like, it will be like casual. But if I put a bun up here, I put more jewelries, I wear a watch, so I'm ready to go to a party at night then. So it's like that, and it's like nice, and I love
yeah. Yeah. Sure, sure, sure. Definitely. Definitely. Yes. So thank you so much, Smriti, for all your styling tips. And we will be waiting for your video soon. And yes, Smriti is coming up with a video, styling video. And I am sure all of our viewers are excited and it will be a lot insightful since this goes perfect with our upcoming collection. And with that, you already got a hint about it
yeah.
after seeing Smriti wearing it, and more will be launched soon in our profile and in the new location as well. That's another hint. So, Smriti, do you have any parting thoughts?
Sorry, actually, there's a little bit of network disturbance. You have to repeat it once. Just don't mind.
So, do you have any parting thoughts with our audience?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. Can you? Yeah. So over to you, Smriti.
Can you give me just 1 second? Actually, there's network disturbance. I cannot, just give me 1 second.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No problem.
Hello. Yeah, yeah. Can you hear
Yeah.
me? Can you
Yeah.
hear
Yeah.
me?
Yeah. Yes. 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 We are able to hear you.
There's little bit of network disturbance. I don't know. I'm so sorry. It was all going fine, but
Okay.
it's like a little bit buffering and all that right now.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So no,
Can
we
you
were
hear
just
me clearly? I cannot hear you clearly, actually. I'm so sorry.
yes, yes, I'm able to hear you properly. I was just asking about your parting thoughts with our audience.
we are just waiting for Smriti to come back and give her parting thoughts. I hope her network allows that.
Yeah, she's here. Yeah,
Can you?
Smriti, so are you able to hear? Yes, yes. Are you able to hear me now?
I guess just a second. I don't know. There's so much of network disturbance.
Yeah, so I was asking about your parting thoughts.
Just oh my god, this. Just give me 1 second. What is happening? I don't know. It's not even working. Yeah. No, that some wrong filter got onto my face. Did you see? It was so funny. Oh my god. So parting thoughts is, and I would like to say that this, you guys, it's a new brand coming up, and it's not like new, but kind of new, and you're trying to give this comfort feeling to the young generation with the sari. So I am like definitely gonna recommend everybody, especially the women, to wear it. Like, if you're thinking to get a sari online, why not take it from here? Because that way you will be contributing to two things. Number one, your own comfort. You are not compromising with your comfort zone. Number two, you're also contributing to the culture of Assam. Number three, you're also, supporting a startup. So there are so many things. So I think people should definitely do, and even I'll recommend it to my friends as well, and my viewers and everybody.
Thank you
And
so
best.
much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Preeti. That's so kind of you. And we'll be super excited about your upcoming styling video. And thank you so much for draping this sari so beautifully today. And you look extremely gorgeous.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm like
Thank you.
hoping for the like. I'll be releasing the video very soon, and I guess I'll upload it in YouTube as well. So it will be in your channel, my channel, everywhere. So I'm just hoping that people are excited to watch it, because guys, it's gonna be amazing, a nice one, like the style session with the sari. So yeah, I want the viewers to like wait for it.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much, Smriti. Thank you so much for joining us today,
Thank you.
Smriti. Yeah, and
Yeah, I can.
it was a complete delight to have you today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope I was able to, make the talk show a great one. I'm not sure because I was in a hurry and rush, doing things
No, no,
spontaneously.
no, it was absolutely, yeah, it was an absolute delight for us, and we loved you having you in our show and all the styling insights that you have given. Actually, so now we are more excited about your styling video
Yes.
and hope to see you there.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
thank you so much again. Bye.
Welcome. And
Bye.
thank you for having me, actually. Thank you so much. And best
It's our
wishes,
pleasure.
guys.
Yeah, it's our pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.